The problem states, write the ratio 32 to 42 as a fraction in simplest form. So the ratio is 32 to 42. So whenever you read a ratio, the 32 colon 42, this stands for 2. So 32 to 42. And they want us to write it as a fraction. So the fraction is the first number becomes the numerator over the second number. So once we have the ratio 32 to 42 as a fraction, they want us to write it in simplest form. So we have to simplify this fraction in its simplest form. So we have to ask ourselves, what number, what factor do they both have in common? We can see that they end in 2. They both end in 2, so that means they're both even numbers. Even numbers being 2, 4, 6, 8. So we know if they end in even numbers, we know they're divisible by 2. So they both have 2 as a common factor. So we can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. And 42 divided by 2 is 21. So to simplify, we always have to divide the top and the bottom by the same number, by the same factor. So it's by 2. So we get 16 over 21. And now we have to ask ourselves, is this in simplest form? So does 16 and 21 have a common factor? So this ends in an even number and this ends in an odd number. So 2 is not a common factor. So we see 21, 3 can go into 21, but can 3 go into 16? No. 4 can go into 16, but 4 can't go into 21. 5 can't go into either one of them. 6 either. 6 can't go into both of them. 7 can go into 21, but can't go into 18. 8 can go into 16, but can't go into 21. So we see that there is no common factor between 16 and 21. So that's in simplest form.